Good morning and welcome to Muscle Car Garage. Today we're featuring a 1967 Mustang GT S-Code. S-Code meaning it's a 390 V8. This car has been done right, highly detailed. It's got all the correct markings on it. If you look on the power steering pump, the radiator pump, on the firewall, it's got all the correct markings. What I like about these cars is got the turn signals in the hood, so when you put your turn signals on, you can see it. This is one nice restoration. The paint on it is extremely nice. Everything fits nice. You come inside, this is the nice part right here. 390 is nice, but right there it's got a nice 4-speed manual shift. This is what a muscle car should be. If you look at it, the paint is nice and smooth. What we're going to be doing to this car is we're going to be doing a 4-wheel disc brake, Woodward brake conversion on it. That's why it's here at the shop. It's really a beautiful car. I don't know if you remember this car here. We featured this car last week when we were doing the AC system. We had the entire dashboard apart. Everything is back together. Everything is nice and tucked away, neat. We put a brand new compressor on it. You see that's all done. All this work was done by Muscle Car Garage, located at 7 Industrial Parkway in Livingston, New Jersey. Our phone number is 973-758-8944. If you need any work done, please give us a call, and you have a nice day.